Did you get a big box of gift?
Yes, I got a very big box of gifts.
You happy?
I'm very happy and I'm super excited to share it.
Should they be excited?
Yes, you guys are in for a treat very soon.
And what is this guy up to?
Yeah, he is being like the cutest dog on a happy National Dog Day.
Oh yeah. Are you? Are you? Well guys, welcome back, and to discover the fact that why is she super excited, what has she received, let me reveal it to you.
Yeah, and before we reveal, let us wish you guys happy National Dog Day to all your furry friends. They are the best thing ever that can happen to any human being.
They cannot tell you, so please give them all the love and kisses and hugs and snuggles and whatnot today. So, and every day actually. So, happy National Dog Day. I hope you and your furry friend is having a great time. And now to break to the news, what's going on in this house today? Well, I'm off to work and Tanya just received this big box from Amazon.
Yeah.
And I guess she's super duper excited because you guys are gonna get so much new content on the channel.
Yes.
And for that, today, in this vlog, we are gonna show you how you can do a home studio setup for your YouTube videos of different kinds. So we are gonna transform this office space, which was only from where Tanya and I always worked. She edited her videos, I did my office work and everything. We are gonna transform this whole space and incorporate her studio.
So it's gonna be like office plus studio.
Yeah. So if you guys live in an apartment and always have been wondering what I can do to transform a room or a corner or a space into a cozy studio, this is the vlog you want to watch.
Yes.
And trust me, there are a lot of DIYs gonna come forward, one step at a time, right?
Soon.
So today, let's get started and transform this space into a very comfortable, cozy, lovely, loving, desired space for her, where she can shoot all the amazing content for you guys. Anyway, so let's get started. And we are moving the bookshelf from their corner, taking it out, moving my thing to the corner. And because it's gonna be my queen's room, so I'm gonna be in the corner and her stuff is gonna be right at front and center here, and then we'll show you what we are gonna do with all this empty space.
Yes.
नहीं बांधने की जगह मैं पैर सीधा रखता हूँ सर, इस पे बाढ़ बहुत भारी वाला है।
उधर को क्या लेके आए?
टूट गया।
एक पार्ट चबा दिया ये तो घुस गया अंदर, तो दांत के निशान आ गए उसके पूरे।
ऐप बने कि नहीं वो होता
नहीं बन पाई। देखो ये चबा दबा ये निकल गया था, ये मैंने लेटे हुए लब तोड़ के वापस मत आना इधर, तो भाग यहाँ से। मार्बल
जाओ जाओ पीछे
अरे तो यस उसकी टेल ऐस में घुस रही है।
बाबू हटो। बस और खींच जरा सा,
खींचूंगी, हटे तो ये
मार्बल हटो बाबू।
तो भाई
So here are all my little guys. Okay guys, I blabber for a while and the recording was not on. So anyways, the phase 1 is completed. Let us show you how it looks. You wanna show them?
So
this is the second time we are changing the office in the last couple of weeks.
if you guys haven't seen our other vlog for where we changed the office look and where I made him change it again, go check that out. Anyways, so we moved both of our office table over here like this. It's looking like a professional office look.
Yeah, so that side is all our workspace, our calendar, and our lamp here, all of that stuff. And this side is gonna be
my studio side.
सब्जी वाली मैम, बहन जी जरा इधर को आ जाइए। आलू क्या हिसाब दिया?
आलू है 100 रुपए।
100 रुपए का आगे बताओ किलो? आधा किलो 100 रुपए का। तुमसे कोई सब्जी नहीं खरीदने वाला। तुम लूटने आई हो लोगों को, वो भी कोविड में। नाइफ वगैरह ले आओ। ओके
बस बाबू का नाखून किस काम के?
लगा दो बाबू को काम पे। फिर
लगा बाबू, स्क्रैच करो, बीच में एक अच्छी धार मारो। बाबू सब गिर जाएगा कभी रास्ते
तुम
में।
कहाँ ले, तुम फंस जाओगे उसमें। फंस गए? बोला था जब फंस जाओगे साले। अच्छा ये
देखना, सब कर देंगे तमाम यही। Oh, it came in a bag.
Yes, it's a travel bag.
Oh, there's some stuff.
So this is a travel bag. Alright guys, so let me tell you a little bit about this ring light. It's at least a beginner's level professional grade ring light. It's 18-inch ring light. So this is the best I could find. I'll put the link in the description box. I'm gonna put the link in the description box about it. This light has a lot of reviews on Amazon and it comes with a reflector here. So on the edges you probably can't see it, but it has a reflector installed, so that to maximize the throw to reflect the light on the subject. So that's why I got this one. So I'm really excited to use it.
Alright guys, I'm sitting here. The light is all fixed and he's gonna switch it on now. Oh nice. Oh my god, it's super bright. You guys can see he looks like
Angel?
Angel. Wow, I love the light. It's super bright. You can see it in the camera.
Yeah.
There you go.
And there she is.
You look nice with this light?
Yep. It's a good white light.
Yes.
That was the whole setup. She's gonna have a few more things
Yeah.
she's gonna work on to make this area a little bit more better.
And
she has those lights. If she turned that one on, it's gonna give a little warm effect from the corner.
I'm gonna get a furry rug over here.
On top of
like
this
the
one.
fox one.
Yeah. So
And
that's that. And then so you guys will see a little bit more DIYs and things like that in addition to what we did. This was the first step in the basic
just
setup.
Starting. You guys just wait and watch what's coming.
So yeah, I guess we both are really excited. Oh boy.
You have we look. Oh, we look good in this light.
Yep. So yeah, I'm excited to see all the content that she's gonna work on. And for a moment I saw there and saw here, I couldn't see anything.
I know.
It's so bright. So this is gonna be a little cozy corner, and also like you guys know that we have our tonight's special food channel, so we are also gonna use some of this thing to take the pictures of our food photography and things like that to post good content for you guys with good recipes, good vlogs, and a lot more fun. So I hope
you guys had fun watching us decorate our, I don't know, should I call office space or should I call
this is like our hobby room, multi-purpose room kind of thing. This is an office and this is a studio, so it's no longer just an office, but I guess this is what we do, so we love this space. This is our favorite place in the house.
Exactly. And also the kitchen.
So I'll post the link in the description box. You guys ask me any questions if you have about how we did this setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Trust me.
It doesn't have to be always expensive to make a nice, beautiful, cozy corner for yourself.
Yeah.
So, little things.
And that is why we are gonna do a lot of DIYs and little things here and there to show you how she's gonna use her space. So I guess that's the plan, and we're gonna see you in amazing vlogs and amazing videos. Until then,